Good morning, children. Today I am here to explain the poem Teamwork for Class 5. This is from Unit 2. So, before reading the poem, let me ask you a question, children. Do you like to play with your friends? Yes, everyone likes to play with friends. So now, let us move to the poem. Teamwork, teamwork. Together we can make our dream work. Then we'll share the joy of what we have done. Teamwork, everyone. It's fun to shoot the basketball through the hoop. But if nobody passes, then nobody shoots. And the relay race just can't go on if nobody wants to pass the baton. We are the parts that make up the whole, and we have got our eyes on a common goal. Sometimes it can be a big plus when a you or a me becomes an us. So now, children, let me explain the poem by each stanza. The first stanza. Teamwork, teamwork. Together we can make our dream work. Then we'll share the joy of what we have done. Teamwork, everyone. What is a teamwork? When a group comes together, help each other to complete the work. So here, the poet says that when we join together in a team and do a work, we can reach the goal very easily. For example, when we work in a group for any of a project or something like that, each one gives their own ideas and thoughts so that all the thoughts and ideas put together will bring up a great success. Then, after completing the work and after we receive the success, we all join together in the joy and we all take up the pleasure of enjoying together. Now, moving on to the second stanza. It's fun to shoot the basketball through the hoop, but if nobody passes, then nobody shoots. And the relay race just can't go on if nobody wants to pass the baton. So, children, you might have seen the playing of basketball. It is a very interesting game. All the teammates pass the ball to each other and bring to the bring to the goal by shooting the ball in the hoop. What is a hoop? A iron ring, sorry, a ring made of wood, iron or plastic. So here the players pass the ball to each other to bring up the goal by shooting the ball in a hoop. So here they show up the team spirit. They play together to win the game. Similarly, the relay race, there are four participants in the race and they pass the baton. What is a baton? A short tube which is carried in a relay race. So here each of the participant passes the baton to their teammates And the last one who brings the baton to the ending point is the winner. So here, all the four participants put their team spirit to win the race. Now, moving on to the next stanza. We are the parts that make up the whole, and we have got our eyes on a common goal. Sometimes it can be a big plus when you or a me becomes an us. So, children, here the poet says that we all are each of the parts. So, we have to all put us together to reach the goal. So, doing a work in a team and sporting up all the ideas of each one of us, which brings to the goal very easily. We can win very easily if we work in a team. So, the poet clearly explains that a teamwork is a real enjoyment and a success, and after succeeding, we all win and we all receive the joy what we have done. And he also says that in a teamwork all will be united. So united, being united is strength and strong. So children, be united and be in teamwork. So here we are come to the end of the session. I hope you have enjoyed the poem, children. Stay safe. Thank you, children.